Hello, Craig, Proctor system members. How you doing today? Todd Walters. Hey, look what I got in my hand here. This is the income increase workshop. You see that? And you can see all my, what I call production notes. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone in Anaheim on September 26th, bright and early that morning. Now at 9 a.m., we're going. So make sure you get there at least around 8 o'clock and, get checked in. Let's make sure we've got a good head count of who we're talking to, because we're going to check credentials, make sure everybody that's showing up there is part of our Quantum Leap system, right? Okay, good. So it's going to start at 8 o'clock, and we're going to do that till about 8:45. Hey, but at 9 o'clock, man, we're going right at it. Here's the first session. You ready? Taking massive action to get immediate results. And I've got 1, 2, 3 things to share with you just in that hour. Blake Corey's going to be joining me, and I've got him and I collaborating on at least 3 hours worth of stuff here. But main reason for the video was to get you pumped up, make sure you're coming, don't let anything get in the way. Okay, I'm out here on my back porch, actually just finishing up, making sure I got my stuff together. That's September 26th in Anaheim at the Marriott Suites. Okay, so you know where you're going? All right, good. So get there, be in your seat, ready to rock and roll by 9 a.m., okay, with your pen, with your notepad, and we're going to go right at it. Make sure you bring a notepad, please. Okay, a lot of writing here, note-taking, organizing, business planning on what we need to do for now business and making a quantum leap. And we're going to go all day long. I don't think I have any breaks except lunch. Okay, so no breaks, just a lunch break for about an hour. And we're going to finish up probably around 6 o'clock or 6:30 that evening, okay? So again, see you September 26th, okay, in Anaheim at the Anaheim Marriott Suites. Myself, Blake Corey's going to be there, and this is for the Income Increase Workshop. And again, you can see I've got all my scribbly on here. That's to make sure I've got my notes going in order, and we're covering some good ground. You guys ready for that? Let's see what else is on here that's pretty cool. Second session. Today's top USPs and performance guarantees to get come list me's. Like, who doesn't want come list me's, right? Let's see what else we got. The 4 easiest and most profitable ways to get now business. Who wants now business? Okay, that's good. After lunch, this was amazing. Your biggest problem is obscurity. In other words, not enough people know who you are and what you can do for them. Look, you've got to be first in your prospects' minds. You have to be first, man. You can't be second, you can't be third, you got to be first. And if you're not first, I've heard somebody say recently, you're last. If you're not first, you're last. So we got to make sure that you're first. So we're going to work on omnipresence after lunch so that everyone in your marketplace knows exactly who you are and what you can do for them. You like that? Let's see what else we got. Yeah, Blake's got some good stuff here on basically more ads, more places, more often system. And we've done a lot with that. So looking forward to that one. Database marketing system. This is a big strategy to get unstuck. So if you want a quick quantum leap, quick business, that's a big session, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Increasing the amount of money that you make per transaction and using other people's money. OPM. All right, we're experts at OPM, man. Experts. All right, so looking forward to sharing that with you. There's going to be some things you haven't heard or haven't seen before, that I can assure you. I don't care whether you're selling, one house a month or one house, every other hour. There will be new here, but basics that you need to know for now business and quantum leaps, income increase. We're going to wrap up the day with follow-up. And there are 4 parts of the follow-up system. In follow-up, as Craig said, is everything. It's everything. So this is where a lot of real estate agents just drop the ball. They generate leads. Maybe this describes you. You generate leads. You're pretty good at it. But man, you're just not turning these leads into closings. Dude, that's a follow-up issue. And the follow-up systems, the processes are just different than you think. It requires a lot more actions. All right, so that's going to wrap up the day, and it's going to be a great workshop. All right, looking forward to seeing you there, September 26th in Anaheim. Okay, if you haven't registered yet, get to craigproctorcoaching.com and schedule an events tab and come on. Workshop, September 26th, all about income increase. Like that, yeah. Looking forward to it. Blake Corey's going to be there. I'm going to be there. It's going to be amazing. Guaranteed it'll be one of the best one-day business building sessions you ever been to. All right, 5 minutes. I'm up. We'll see you there. Go serve big. Thanks.